Hi, my name is Giles Javier, and today I'm going to be presenting on distillation. What is distillation? Distillation is a purification method used on liquids. It can separate components of a mixture if they have significantly different boiling points through selective boiling and condensation. And here is a diagram showing the setup of a simple distillation. How does distillation work? Distillation works by first boiling a liquid in the distilling flask. The vapor then travels to another part of the apparatus where it is cooled down, thus condensing the vapor. This is called the distillate. The condensed liquid, which is called a distillate, drips into a reservoir that is separate from the original liquid. How to assemble a distillation apparatus. So first, you're going to want to place the liquid that is to be distilled in a round bottom flask, along with a boiling stone or magnetic stir bar to make sure that there are no lumps in the liquid. Then you're going to want to secure the beaker to the ring stand using a metal extension clamp about 4 inches from the bench top. Third, connect a 3-way adapter to the round bottom flask. Then attach a rubber fitting to the top of the thermometer adapter by stretching it over the glass. After this, delicately insert the thermometer into the hole of the rubber fitting. Connect the thermometer adapter to the 3-way adapter and secure it with a keck clip. Then, you're going to want to ensure that the thermometer is just below the arm of the adapter. Next, to prepare the condenser, using 2 rubber hoses, wet the ends, then twist the wet ends of the 2 arms onto the condenser. Secure the condenser to the ring stand with another clamp. Ensure that the condenser is positioned at the location it will eventually be with a slight downward angle. Connect the condenser to the rest of the apparatus. Slightly loosen the clamp's attachment to the ring stand, then wiggle the condenser towards the 3-way adapter, holding on to the clamp near the ring stand. When they are connected properly, secure it with a keck clip or a plastic clip, then tighten the clamps. Adjust the clamps and height of the condenser so that the thermometer is vertical. Connect the rubber hose that is attached to the lower arm of the condenser to the water spigot, and the hose that is connected to the upper arm should lead to the sink for draining. Attach a vacuum adapter to the end of the condenser with a keck clip. Use another clip to connect a receiving flask. Before using, ensure that everything is well connected and that there are no loose connections. So the uses of simple distillation consists of concentration of alcohol, which can be used to concentrate fermented solution and produce hard liquor. Distilled water. Distillation is used to purify water such as seawater and separate unwanted components from the mixture. And the purification of reagents and products. Distillation can purify products from a chemical reaction. Along with simple distillation, there are various types of distillation. Besides simple distillation, there is fractional distillation. Unlike simple distillation, where it is used when the difference of boiling points are greater than 100 degrees Celsius, fractional distillation is used when the difference of boiling points are less than 100 degrees Celsius. Other than that, there's vacuum distillation, steam distillation, and rotary evaporation. And that is all for this presentation. Thank you so much.